Hi guys, my name is Marcela and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you my ultimate vegan Halloween party recipes. We will prepare some appetizers, dips, main and dessert. Those recipes are not for vegan only. I've hosted an early Halloween party on the beach a few days ago for 10 people, mostly omnivores, and they all loved the food. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you do, please let me know in the comments below. Like the video, share it, and if you want to see more of my cooking, subscribe to my channel. Oh, and by the way, as always, all of my recipes are cooked in my van, proving that you can throw a decent dinner party near enough from anywhere. Enjoy! For your convenience, I've listed all the ingredients and step-by-step method in the description below. Alternatively, pause the video here. Add all of the hummus ingredients into a food processor and blend until you reach desired consistency. Add more water or olive oil if needed. Cut out the eyes and mouth with a sharp knife and expose the seeds for a brain-like look. Chop off the head, but leave a flap at the back. Remove the seeds from behind of the zombie's face. Stuff the peppers with the hummus and then refine all the details with a teaspoon. Arrange zombies on a plate and they're ready to go. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Carefully cut the potatoes without going all the way through them. The slices should be just under half centimeters thick. Mix the rest of the ingredients in a bowl. Rub on the potatoes, making sure that the mixture gets in the slits. Season with salt. Roast them for 1 hour or until golden and crispy. Assemble your creepy crawlies using capers for the eyes, sliced stuffed olives for the ears, and peppers and jalapenos for the tentacles. I served these with the same vegan mayo-based sauce that I used in my vegan coleslaw video. Place all the seeds in a frying pan and dry fry them for 1 to 2 minutes. Remove from the heat, add paprika and cinnamon and blend all together. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Chop the squash into cubes. Put cubed squash, garlic cloves, ginger, 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, spice mix, salt and pepper on a tray. Place in the oven and cook for 30 minutes or until soft and crispy. Once cooked, discard garlic peels and add everything into a blender. Add lemon juice, olive oil, tahini and chickpeas. Blend until smooth. Remove the stems from the mushrooms. In a bowl, coat them with olive oil and salt. Pan fry until soft. Wait for the mushrooms and hummus to cool down, chop the pepper and assemble your Halloween devils. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Mince the garlic, add to pestle mortar with paprika, thyme, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, beetroot juice and salt to taste. Form a paste. Trim the cauliflower and cut across in the remains of the stalk so it cooks evenly. Rub the paste onto cauliflower and place it in a tray. Pour the lemon juice over the cauliflower. Using a small syringe, add some beetroot juice to create a bloody brain look. Cover the cauliflower and roast for about 1.5 hours or until tender, removing the cover after an hour. Sprinkle with lemon zest and roast for another 10 minutes. Cook the beans until tender and wait for them to cool down. Add to food processor with lemon juice, mayo and fresh mint. Add salt to taste. Blend until smooth. And if you'd like to see my vegan mayo recipe, check out my other videos. Using half a potato, silver foil and cocktail sticks, assemble your brain. I'm using a coffee filter to stop the dip leaking through. Add as much dip as you can and serve with warm nachos. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Place the carrots, garlic and fennel seeds on a baking tray, add olive oil and mix together. Roast for an hour. Dice the onion. Fry it in a deep pan for a few minutes. Add chopped chilies, turmeric and curry powder and fry them all together for about 3 minutes. Add 2 liters of water and 2 veg stock cubes. Bring to boil and add the lentils. Once the carrots are cooked, peel the garlic and transfer everything from the tray into the blender and blend until smooth. Add stock if necessary. Add the paste and coconut milk into the pan and simmer for 10 minutes. Blend the rest of coconut milk with tofu. That's going to create the spider web. Pour the soup into bowls and using a toothpick create Halloween spider webs. Serve and enjoy. Blend together in a food processor beans, barley and lentils. In a separate cup, blend sunflower seeds until the consistency resembles flour. Add it to the mix with the spices and knead the dough for 5 minutes. Keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Form balls and bake on a baking sheet for 15 to 20 minutes. To create my eyeballs, I'm using tofu, sliced olives, black beans and capers. I use a dash of sriracha to create oozy veins. For the chili and cranberry jam, peel and finely slice onions and garlic. Deseed and finely sliced chilies. Place them in a deep pan over low heat and cook with some olive oil for 10 minutes. Add cranberries, sugar, wine and vinegar and 40 ml of water. Simmer for 20 minutes, mash the berries and cook for another 10 minutes or until it resembles jam. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Prick aubergine a few times and roast for 45 minutes. Once cooked, slice and put it in a bowl to cool down. Scoop the insides of the aubergine into a food processor. Add chilies, garlic, lemon juice, parsley, oil, salt and pepper and blitz until smooth. Place in a bowl and served chilled. Melt margarine, milk and 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Combine flour, baking powder, salt, 50 grams of sugar in a large bowl. Make a well in the middle, then dip in the melted mixture. Gradually bring the mixture together with a fork until it forms a wet dough. Divide it and form about 22 balls. Heat the rest of the sunflower oil in a deep pan. Make sure that oil is really hot, then put in 6 balls at a time. As you can see, while I'm busy frying, my friend Diane is helping me to form the rest of the donuts. Thanks, Di! Mix the rest of sugar with cinnamon. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until golden and crispy. Let them cool down for a bit and then roll in a cinnamon and sugar to coat. Serve with your favorite jam to dip. Add yeast and sugar to the water and set aside for 10 minutes. Add flour, salt and baking powder into a mixing bowl and mix together. Add yogurt and oil to the yeast, mix and pour into the bowl with dry ingredients. At this stage, add your black onion seeds for the authentic Indian taste. Knead the dough gently for 5 minutes. Place in oiled bowl and oil the top. Cover with a damp towel and leave in a warm place for 2 hours. After that, knead for a minute, adding extra flour if needed. Leave for another 10 minutes. You can shape naans using rolling pin, which as you can see I do not own, or you can shape them by hand, which I personally prefer. Then fry them on each side for a couple of minutes. And again, for the authenticity, char them above the hob.